In this video, I'm showing you the right way to install a water well pressure switch so you don't burn out your pump. Whether you are installing a brand new switch or, like me, reinstalling an old one that you've repaired, check the link in the description for that repair video. The process is exactly the same. The secret to longevity. Before we screw this in, here is the most important tip of the video. Do not mount this switch directly onto a T. You want to install it on a short vertical nipple or stand. Why? Because the main pipe has turbulence, flow pulses, and pressure spikes. If the switch is right in that storm, it gets confused and causes rapid cycling, where your pump clicks on and off like a machine gun. By using this vertical stand, we create a calm pocket of water so the switch gets an accurate reading and your pump lasts years longer. First, you want to wrap thread seal tape clockwise with the threads so it doesn't peel back when you tighten it. I usually do about 3 to 4 full revolutions to ensure a watertight seal. Mount the switch by hand first to make sure you don't cross-thread it. Once it's snug, grab your wrench and tighten it down. You want it firm, but don't over-crank it, or you might crack the housing. The final step is the wiring. Make sure your breaker is off before touching any terminals. The wiring diagram is usually pasted right inside the cap, but here is the process. I connect the pump wires first. In my case, there are 3 wires. The 2 hot wires go to the terminals, and the green ground wire connects directly to the box casing. Next, I connect the power lines coming from the house's 220-volt outlet. Again, don't forget the green screws at the bottom. That is where your ground wires must go. As an engineer, I'm obsessive about checking my work before moving to the next step. Usually I'm building software, but the engineering mindset applies to everything, even water pumps. Speaking of software, if you stick around to the end, I've added a link with a promo code for a great app I actually helped build. Before wrapping up, I inspect the connections and give the wires a gentle tug to make sure nothing is loose. Remember, loose wires cause sparks and heat. I pay close attention to the wire strands. If even one tiny copper strand is sticking out, it can bridge over to the neighboring terminal and cause a short. It's better to spend an extra 5 seconds to check your work than 5 days waiting for replacement parts while your family reminds you every hour that the shower still doesn't work. Now for the moment of truth. I'm plugging the line into the 220-volt outlet. Listen for the click, and there is the sound of water rushing. It is flowing perfectly, and we are back in business.